Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 27 beta stuck on update requested issue. So guys, if you're trying to download and install iOS 27 beta but it is stuck on update requested, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then delete some useless data, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to VPN device management, and after this make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again go back and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. After this go back and drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.